Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoons sometimes. And today in this video, I'm going to go over the top 5 foods I've burnt by accident. So these are foods I've cooked either in the microwave or in the oven or on the stove, and I accidentally made the mistake of burning these because either I had the stove on too high or the oven on too high, or I just totally forgot about them. So I'm gonna get started, and one of these things I've actually only burnt in the microwave once, and just to let you guys know, it just happens. Sometimes you burn your food by mistake. Burnt food doesn't always taste good, but this is a video just to teach you guys burning foods is probably one of the most common things that happens when it comes to cooking. So I'm going to get started. So number one on my list had to be pizza sticks. So I was making a TV dinner. This was probably, I think, when I was in middle school or something. My mom had got me a TV dinner for dinner, and I was cooking pizza sticks, and little did I know was I accidentally pressed the wrong timer for my pizza sticks, and I was not paying attention to the package instructions, and I accidentally had the pizza sticks in the oven too long, and they started to burn and they smoked up, and we opened the microwave and smoke was coming out of the microwave. Nothing caught on fire. It was just the pizza sticks were completely burnt, so we had to throw them away, and that was a huge waste. So note to self, always pay attention to the instructions on cooking your microwave food, because it doesn't have to be as long as it does in the oven sometimes. Number 2 on my list would have to be French fries. So one time I was making chili cheese fries for myself, and my mom got me a package of shoestring fries, and they were the frozen kind. And I put them on a baking sheet, and I don't remember if I lined the baking sheet with foil or not. I don't remember, but I put them on the baking sheet. I stick them in the oven. I accidentally forgot to set a timer, or was it have the oven on too high? I don't remember, but one of those mistakes I made, and I cooked them, and then when they were done, they were all completely burnt and they looked gross. Oops. And I wasted half the bag of French fries, and I realized what I did wrong was I accidentally had them on the wrong time, or maybe I had the oven on too high. I think I had the oven on too high and I wasn't paying attention. Oops. So if you're cooking frozen food, definitely follow the exact package instructions. Number 3 on my list had to be cookies. So I've definitely done this. I burnt cookies because I had the oven on too high, like I said, and or no, I think I had them in too long and I accidentally read the times wrong, and I was baking a batch of snickerdoodles, and the oven was on a little higher than it was supposed to be. I think it was preheated to 400. It was preheated, I'm pretty sure, to 400 degrees by mistake when it's supposed to be 375, and that's the normal time to bake for cookies. And they ended up getting burnt at the bottom, and I made them for my coworkers, and I felt bad, but they were super nice, and they definitely said they tasted good even if they were burnt, which I was super happy about. Number 4 on my list would have to be brownies. So I was baking a batch of Snickers Brownies one time. If you want to see the recipe for Snickers Brownies, I'll link that down below, and it's by Laura in the Kitchen. I'm not sponsored by Laura in the Kitchen, nor am I being paid by Laura in the Kitchen to talk about this recipe. All opinions are my own. Anyway, I was making a batch of Snickers Brownies. My oven wasn't working, and I was confused, so my brother and his friend had to help me get the oven on, and it turned out the pilot light ran out, so we had to turn the oven off, relight the pilot light, and then I put the brownies back in, but I ended up accidentally burning the bottom by accident because I accidentally had the oven on way too high. My bad. And I guess maybe because the oven was starting to get really hot, and it was a little too hotter than I wanted it to be, and it ended up burning the bottom of the brownies. Number 5 on my list would have to be beets. So my mom actually burnt these. So I have a full story about how my mom left me with the pot of beets burning on the stove, which I'll link down below if you didn't see. And this was because she forgot she had them on, and she ran out the house to do errands, forgot to tell me she was cooking beets on the stove, left me with this pot of beets, and I didn't know they were on the stove cooking. And then sadly, the beets were all dried up and burnt because the water was completely evaporated from them, and they were all gross, disgusting, and dried out. And I felt super bad, and my mom felt super bad because she didn't tell me she was cooking beets in the stove and forgot. But we both ended up laughing about it because we thought it was funny how we both didn't realize that there were beets cooking on the stove. And like I said, I have a full story about it, which I'll link down below if you didn't see. Okay, those are the top 5 things I burnt by accident with food. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!